Alright guys, welcome back. And today we are going to look at the zoom tool, what we use the zoom tool for. Now the zoom tool is used to get close to a particular object. If you have an object like this, let's say I have something like this, and then I want to, let's see, another one like this, and then I want to align this one to this side, something like this. If I do something like this, I might be right, I might be wrong. So I need to zoom to get close to it to see that what I've done the right thing. So to do that, this is the zoom tool. You click on this and then you move to make sure that you see the plus sign. If you don't see the plus sign, come here to click on it to see the plus sign. And then you click, you click, you click, and then you click. As you draw more closer to it, you see that it is perfectly aligned. Zooming is something like this, and then I want to send it close. Then I have to click and drag to the center like this to see the edge. And then now the moment you click on the zoom tool, you also see this option. We have the zoom in, zoom out. So this time I'm zooming out like this. And then we also have zoom to selected. So it will zoom to the selected object over here. And then we have zoom to all objects. So that means all the objects will be displayed. Now, let's say I have something like this. Let me add other stuff to it. Wherever they are. And then when I select zoom to all objects, I will only see an object. But when I select zoom to selected, I will see this object. And then we also have zoom to page width. Normally this is what you use for your design so that you see everything over here this way. But if you are doing something and then you want to see only some parts of the page, let me put it that way, then you use zoom to page width over here. That one will send it close to you. And then you have zoom to page height as well. Then you are going to see something like this also. So this is all about the zoom tool. And then you can also click, once you select the zoom tool, you click, hold and drag to zoom to a particular object this way. So this is how select. It's not like the zoom to selected. So you click and drag on the page you want, and then or the object you want, and then we are good to go. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like my page. I'll